I'm Dalton Barrett for News Radio WGNS, and here are some of the top stories impacting Rutherford County on your Rutherford Roundup for Monday, July the 13th, 2026. Federal health officials are tracking a seasonal rise in cyclosporiasis, an intestinal illness caused by the parasite cyclosporiasis. As of July 9th, the CDC reported 843 confirmed domestically acquired cases across 31 states, including between 11 and 30 illnesses in Tennessee. At least 86 patients were hospitalized, with no deaths reported. Symptoms can include persistent watery diarrhea, stomach cramps, nausea, fatigue, appetite loss, and a low-grade fever. Illness often begins about a week after contaminated food or water is consumed. Residents in Murfreesboro and Smyrna should thoroughly rinse produce, practice safe food handling, and contact a healthcare provider if diarrhea becomes persistent or recurring. Meanwhile, another seasonal health concern is increasing across Rutherford County, as doctors report more tick bites and tick-borne illnesses. These include Rocky Mountain spotted fever, ehrlichiosis, and alpha-gal syndrome, a potentially serious allergy to red meat associated with the Lone Star tick. One Murfreesboro resident recently spent 9 days battling fever and extreme fatigue before blood work confirmed Rocky Mountain spotted fever. Health officials recommend using EPA-approved repellent, treating clothing, checking people and pets after outdoor activity, and removing attached ticks promptly with fine-tipped tweezers. Anyone developing fever, rash, or unusual fatigue after a tick bite should seek medical attention immediately. Early voting begins Friday, July 17th, for the August 6th state primary and county general election. And Rutherford County officials say voters will have several convenient options through Saturday, August the 1st. Election Administrator Alan Farley reminds residents that Rutherford County uses a vote center system. That means that registered voters may cast a ballot at any open vote center rather than reporting to a designated neighborhood precinct. A resident who lives in Kittrell but works in Laverne can vote near work, while someone visiting Murfreesboro may use a location there. Early voting sites include Christ Life Church and Town Hall in Smyrna, the Laverne Multi-Purpose Building, and several Murfreesboro locations, including Lane Agri-Park, Sportscom, the Election Commission Annex, and the Election Office on the Public Square. Most locations are open weekdays from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays from 8 a.m. until noon. Meanwhile, Greenhouse Ministries is preparing for another major community event in Murfreesboro. Live in the Boro returns September 18th at Hop Springs, featuring American Idol Top 3 finalist Jordan McCullough. The 5th annual talent competition will feature local performers competing for a prize of up to $1,000. Tickets are $25, with proceeds supporting Greenhouse Ministries, food, clothing, mentoring, and education, as well as transitional housing programs serving families throughout Rutherford County. Middle Tennessee State University basketball took center stage at the 2026 Tennessee Sports Hall of Fame ceremony, where 2 longtime Blue Raider coaches were honored for careers that extended far beyond the court. Former men's basketball coach Kermit Davis entered the Hall of Fame after recording 332 victories during 16 seasons at MTSU. Davis remains the winningest coach in program history, leading the Blue Raiders to 3 NCAA tournament appearances and memorable upset victories over Michigan State in 2016 and Minnesota in 2017. Women's basketball coach Rick Insell received the Pat Summitt Lifetime Achievement Award. Insell has earned more than 500 collegiate victories, guided MTSU to 21 consecutive postseason appearances, and helped elevate women's basketball in Murfreesboro and across Tennessee. While those honors celebrated MTSU's athletic legacy, another university leader is preserving Tennessee's agricultural history. Historian Carol Van West has released Tennessee's Frontier Century Farms, highlighting approximately 100 of the state's oldest family-owned farms. The book arrives as West concludes a 30-year tenure directing MTSU's Center for Historic Preservation and a 41-year career documenting Tennessee's history. It combines modern photography with previously unpublished archival images, to tell the stories of farms that have remained in the same families for generations. West, who has been Tennessee's state historian since 2013, said his proudest legacy is the students he mentored. That's all for now. For updates on these and many more local news stories, you can check out our website, wgnsradio.com. You can also follow us on social media at NewsRadio WGNS on Facebook, as well as X. If you're enjoying the show, please leave a rating or a review on Spotify and iTunes, a comment on YouTube, or share it with a friend. I'm Dalton Barrett for WGNS, and I'll talk to you later.